Make sure you have everything you need before you start. MC4 crimping tool. 4 mm, 12 AVG cable. Wire stripper. Special solar tools. MC4 connectors. Start by separating the conductors on the cable. Check with the socket connector how far you need to strip the cable. Use some kind of wire stripper. If you use a knife instead, be careful to avoid cuts. Strip the other cable the same length. It's easy to make mistakes here. The socket connectors look very similar, and the small male fits into the large female. But the big socket connector, female, is going on the positive cable for the male and MC4 contact. Use a suitable crimping tool for a good connection between the connector and the cable. This is the positive male connector. The marking is often a red ring, but there is always a plus sign. Insert the socket connector until you hear a click. The camera captured the click sound better on the upcoming negative MC4 connector. Even if you screw them tight, you need special solar tools to make them dust and waterproof. Screw them in until you hear a distinct click. This connector is now dust and waterproof and has an IP rating of 68. The negative contact is always completely black and is marked with a negative sign. Listen for the click sound when the socket is all the way in. One end of the extension cord is now waterproof and ready. Here it is easy to make mistakes again when making a patch cord with MC4 connectors. The positive connector is now mounted on the black cable and the negative connector on the red cable. Ten times the speed. Normal speed. A new dust and waterproof extension cord ready to start using. These are my costs for these different extension cords. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit the like and subscribe to support my channel, and get noticed for more tips, tricks and projects around solar PV.